In the heart of a bustling city lived a little girl named Emily. I am Emily. The city is full of people and noise and light. In the city, everyone is always in a hurry and is busy managing their occupations. Sometimes you have to take a break from the city. My family and I love to go to the beach. We love the sea. Let me explain why we love the sea so much. Before we came to live in the city, we lived on a small island. My mother and father decided to live in the city for better education and more services. In my room, there is a large drawing of the sea on the wall. Every summer, we go to the sea. When we arrive at the beach, we unpack our luggage. We play in the sea sand. We bathe in the sea. We go under the sea to look after the fish and plants that are under the sea. We always wait for the sunset to admire the sunset before we go home. It is a beautiful thing to see the sun going down on the sea. After admiring the sunset, we pack our luggage and take the road back home. It was a beautiful day. I am already excited for the next time we will return to the sea again. After admiring the sunset, we pack our luggage and take the road back home. It was a beautiful day. I am already excited for the next time we will return to the sea again.